Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share traditional breakfast of South Karnataka, Patrode, that is pudding with colocasia leaves and rice. It is good in the month of monsoon because it pacifies the coldness of the body by its hot and spicy nature. But today's recipe is Patrode prepared with banana flour and millet. This patrode is so healthy and delicious that you can consume it in any time or any season. If you get banana flour, try this recipe. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 2 cups of little millet or same. You can select any millet of your choice. This is the measuring cup I have used. Now wash this millet thoroughly 2-3 times and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. For this amount of little millet, I am using 2 big banana flowers. Banana flowers are the blossoms of banana plant. In local language, it is called as balemuti or pumbe or kundige. Before chopping this banana flower, take diluted buttermilk in a large bowl. If you don't have buttermilk, then squeeze 1 lemon into a bowl of water and keep it ready. You have to chop the banana flower as small as possible like this. Immediately after chopping, transfer the banana flower into diluted buttermilk. Banana flower is high in fiber, protein, potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. It is rich source of vitamin A, C, E and K. It repairs uterus after delivery. It increases lactation by stimulating prolactin hormone. It controls menstrual cycle and helps to decrease heavy bleeding. It also helps to cure anemia because of rich iron, and it helps to control blood pressure with rich potassium. It helps to heal wounds and prevents infections. Banana flower is rich source of antioxidants. It helps to fight cancer and heart diseases. With the rich fiber, it relieves constipation and it helps to heal ulcer pain. With low glycemic property, banana flower is very good for diabetic patients. It is also very useful in PCOS cases. It provides effective functioning of kidneys and boosts mood and keeps you calm. You have to chop full banana flower like this and transfer to diluted buttermilk. By soaking in buttermilk, it removes the bitter taste of banana flower and the gummy exudate from the banana flower, and it retains the normal color of banana flower. Keep it like this for half an hour. Drain the water from little millet. For this, add half cup of grated fresh coconut, 4 spoons of coriander seeds, 2 spoons of cumin seeds, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 cup of jaggery, salt to taste, and lemon-sized tamarind, 4 to 6 red chilli. You can grind it in blender. Here the amount is more, so I am grinding it in the tilting grinder. By adding little water, we have to grind it to form coarse paste. It should not be fine paste. We have to grind it to form coarse paste. Batter should be bit thick. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. It should be coarse paste and the batter should be bit thick. Now collect banana flour from buttermilk solution by squeezing it and add it to the ground batter. Soaking in buttermilk solution removes all the bitterness from the banana flour. So you can use full banana flour in making patrode. Now give a nice mix. If you are a diabetic, then you can skip jaggery. With low glycemic index, banana flour and little millet are good for diabetic. So you skip jaggery and prepare pudding. Now the mixture is ready. Keep it aside. Take 6 to 8 banana leaves, wash it thoroughly and make it soft by holding on fire. By making it soft, you can fold banana leaves without tearing. Keep the banana leaves ready like this. At the same time, fill the steamer with water and heat it. Allow the steam to come. Spread one banana leaf like this and pour one ladle full of mixture and spread it like this. Fold from four sides like this and keep it upside down. Repeat the procedure with the remaining batter and banana leaf. We have to arrange them in steamer only when the steam starts to come. We have to arrange alternately so that there should be enough space for the movement of steam. Close the lid and cook for 30 to 45 minutes. Now our patrode is well cooked. Serve it with coconut oil. Very healthy, highly delicious and nutritious banana flower patrode is ready to serve. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.